What you gonna do with all that junk inside your trunk? I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk off my hump, my hump, my hump, my hump, my hump, my hump.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be reviewing, guys, this is the new Beauty Bay x NIKKIETutorials palette, which is literally stunning. We're going to be playing with this today. I'm so excited to use this. You'll hear me talk about it. This is a pressed pigment palette, so the colors are extremely pigmented. Guys, the shimmers in this palette are crazy. Definitely one of my new favorite palettes, but just it's stunning, honestly. Also, you guys, this is completely unsponsored. I bought this palette by myself. I'm not on Beauty Bay's PR list, unfortunately. But all opinions are my own, and spoiler alert, if you couldn't tell already, I freaking love it. So if you guys want to learn how to do this look, then keep on watching. Guys, look what I have in my hands. I'm so excited, literally so excited. This is the NIKKIETutorials, and okay. I've literally been waiting for this palette for so long. This is the NIKKIETutorials and Beauty Bay palette. This is what the palette looks like. It is stunning. It is like heavy too. It feels nice. And just the finishing on it, I feel like it's like a new toy. She deserves this. I'm so excited for her, and I'm so excited to use it. Like, I've actually never had shimmers that are this creamy. It almost feels like they're like melting. Like that pink I have to use. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna be reviewing this palette today, and I have no idea what look I'm gonna do. So I guess you guys are just gonna follow along and see what I do, what I pull off. All right, so the first step what we're gonna do is take some P. Louise base. It's been a minute since I've been sitting in front of YouTube. I've been on TikTok lately a lot. I talk about it a lot, but I just feel like the algorithm's a little bit better on there. I get a lot more positive response, more views and stuff, and sometimes YouTube, even though I way prefer making YouTube videos because I just like my setup and stuff. Sometimes it's a lot of work for not the biggest response, but I just really wanted to put this one on YouTube because I felt like it deserved it, because Nikki is queen YouTube. Okay, so look, I got my little NIKKIETutorial, or I guess Beauty Bay. Oh no, it says Nikki too. Little pop socket. I definitely should have cleaned my brushes, but my color switched. So if you guys ever didn't wash your brushes, this is a good little Johnny. You just swirl it in there, and even if it looks like it's still there, it's not gonna come off on your hand or like your skin anymore. The color doesn't, you know? You feel? Okay, so I guess first color I'm gonna pick up is the color Slasher, and this is on a Morphe M506 brush, and I'm just popping this out here, my little outer crease. First impression is that this eyeshadow is actually going on really smoothly, like really weirdly smoothly. I'm confused. All right, next I'm picking up a Morphe M433 brush. I'm gonna pick up Blend and Snap. Just blend out Slasher with that. I'm gonna pick up another Morphe M433 brush and pick up the shade Zomer. Hopefully I said that right. I'm pretty sure that's Dutch. And just blend out Blend and Snap. Now, to just further intensify the shadows, I love layering my shadows because I put the dark shadow on first. The fallout almost of the other ones will always kind of go over it. So to just like really add that extra wow factor, I'm going to layer my shadows. All right, I gotta have you not eating carrots right now.
What?
Your chewing's really loud. All right, next I'm gonna take the color Redemption, this orange shade right here, and pop this in the inner corner, or not inner corner, the inner area over here by my lid. Into the brow bone, kind of. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of Blend and Snap and kind of blend that pink and the orange together. Then I'm going to take a little bit of Flop, it's the yellow, and kind of blend out that orange over there and down. Next, I'm taking a bit of Pride on my finger, which is the sparkly pink, and I'm just gonna put that right here. Wow. Wow, it's so pretty, guys. I'm also gonna take a little bit on a Morphe M124 brush. So pretty, guys. I don't think you know. Just further blending out all of those colors. Next, I'm gonna take the shade Amsterdam. Amsterdam. The hell? That was literally a fly.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Next, I'm going to take the shade Amsterdam on this P. Louise Acid Rain brush. It doesn't have a number, but it's basically just a liner brush. And I'm going to kind of, just create a liner. I'm going to take a little bit of Amsterdam again and put it right underneath the outer third. I'm gonna follow out underneath that. And next I'm gonna blend that out with the shade Plot Twist, which is just a baby blue. Next, on that same Morphe M124 brush, I'm going to pick up Mama Tutorials, which is the shimmery blue, right and next to the Amsterdam. And then, of course, for the inner corner, I'm going to take a bit of Ivy, which is that shimmery white pressed pigment, and pop that right in the inner corner. All right, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara, a lash. This is the Sephora Lash Craft mascara. Alright, this is the first time that I've teased this a lot on Instagram, but this is the first time that I've shown this on YouTube and actually talked about it for a little bit, but these are mine. This is my eyelash. This is my eyelash brand. I'm coming out with an eyelash brand. It's sooner rather than later. I don't have a date yet, and that's all I'm gonna say, because if you guys want to support me, make sure you follow the @LaneyLash Instagram. There's nothing there yet, but you will be the first to know if you follow me on there. Wow, don't lashes just make everything more fun? All right, you guys, so that is this eye. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other eye off camera, and then we will come back and do the rest of my face together. All right, you guys, both eyes are done. I made a couple TikToks, started them. We'll finish them later. Make sure you check me out on TikTok. I post on there often. I tried to do a little Nikki eye. Typically, I do more of like crazy cut crease work, and I did more of like a blown out, colorful look, which is kind of her style. So hopefully you guys like it. I'm gonna contour my face just a little bit. Not really contour, I guess bronze up the face so I'll finish it off. The Morphe 8L palette. For blush, I'm going to take a little bit of Milani's Dolce Pink Baked Powder Blush, which is just a super shimmery pink. And I'm going to bring that up here and really kind of like blur that into the shadow, like so. I'm even going to take a little bit of the pink from this shade. I think I'm going to mix a little bit of Zomer and Blend and Snap, and just layer that on the blush just to even further add some pigment. All right, as for highlight, I'm actually going to take a shade from the palette, and I'm going to use the shade All In, which is this shade right here. Oh God, hell yeah. Wow, I need to relax. Okay. Wow, that's literally stunning. Like, for my lip today, I'm going to be using Morphe Sweetie. And then now that my lips are lined, I'm going to put a little bit of this crisp finish paint on top. This is mainly for eyes, but I literally take a teeny bit. It's probably a little too much. and then blend it into the lip liner to give that 90s look. So cute. This is the Becca Liquid Crystal Topper in Champagne Dream Feeling, maybe? Who knows? Alright, you guys, I think this is the finished look. Literally, I'm obsessed with this palette. It's gonna probably be my new favorite palette. I pan on this palette so fast, I already know it. I know myself. It's not gonna be good. I probably should order another one, honestly. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Make sure you follow me on my other socials. I post most of my makeup content on Instagram and TikTok now. I'm posting almost every single day on there, so definitely follow me on there if you guys want to catch up with me. And let's try to get Nikki to see this. That would be like a dream come true if she could see this video. Congratulations, Nikki. I think your palette is stunning. I think everyone else should try to go get it. The next drop is soon, I'm pretty sure, and then it's gone forever. So if you really like color, this is your palette, for real. All right, I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.